Hi, I'm HR, and I've been a manifestation and visualization coach since 2006. Over the years, I've helped countless individuals break through their limitations, align with their purpose, and create the reality they truly desire. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of spiritual awakening, setting conscious intentions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between setting an intention and a declaration, how to effectively set intentions, and how these concepts are backed by science. I'll also share a powerful collective intention you can use to elevate your own experience and contribute to the greater good. Stick with me, because this could be the game changer you've been searching for. What is an intention? An intention is more than just a wish or a goal. It is a focused, positive statement that represents the reality you want to experience. Unlike declarations, which assert your will onto a situation, intentions are about co-creating with the universe, your subconscious mind, and your superconscious state. This isn't just spiritual jargon. Science has shown how focused thoughts and emotions can influence outcomes. For example, Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiments on water molecules demonstrated that positive words, emotions, and intentions could alter the crystalline structure of water. Given that the human body is 60% water, the impact of positive intentions on our well-being and the environment around us becomes undeniable. The science of intentions, the idea that thoughts influence reality, is not merely anecdotal, it is backed by scientific research. One landmark study is the Global Consciousness Project at Princeton University, which measured the influence of collective human intention on random number generators. The findings revealed that during moments of global focus, such as major world events, the randomness decreased, suggesting that collective human thought can influence physical systems. Another area of research is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself based on repeated thoughts and behaviors. When we set intentions, we activate neural pathways that align with those desired outcomes. This process was explored extensively in Dr. Joe Dispenza's book, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, where he explains how focused thought and elevated emotions can reprogram your brain to match the reality you want to create. Intention versus declaration. Let's clarify the difference between intentions and declarations. A declaration is assertive. It's a way of imposing your will onto reality. Declarations can be framed positively or negatively. For instance, saying, "I will not fail" is a declaration. It's direct but may not always align with your deeper subconscious beliefs. Intentions, on the other hand, are cooperative. They work with the quantum field and the universe. They must be phrased positively and in the present tense, such as, "I am living a life of abundance." This difference is crucial because our subconscious minds respond only to positive, present tense affirmations. This is why intentions are statements of what already exists, not something we're merely hoping to achieve. The role of the quantum field. Intentions operate beyond the limits of time and space, tapping into the quantum field, a realm of infinite potential. As quantum physicist Dr. Amit Goswami explains, in the self-aware universe, our consciousness directly influences the material world. When we set an intention, we're essentially choosing a particular possibility out of the quantum field and aligning with it vibrationally. This is why it's so important to phrase intentions as if they're already happening. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be happy," you might say, "I am joyfully embracing my life." This subtle shift aligns your energy with the outcome you desire. How to set intentions. 1. Start with clarity. Before setting an intention, take a moment to reflect on what you truly want. Journaling can be a powerful tool here. Write down your desires and identify the ones that resonate with your highest self. 2. Phrase it positively and in the present tense. Use statements like, "I am thriving in a fulfilling career," or I am surrounded by love and support. Avoid words like not or don't, as the subconscious mind doesn't register negations. 3. Visualize your desired reality. Visualization activates the brain's reticular activating system RAS, which filters information to align with your goals. This technique is supported by sports psychology research, where athletes who visualize their performance often achieve better outcomes. 4. Speak your intentions out loud. Words carry vibrational energy. The phrase abracadabra is derived from the Aramaic words meaning I create as I speak. When you vocalize your intentions, you amplify their power. 5. Feel the emotion. The law of vibration states that emotions are the energy that brings your intentions to life. Feel the joy, gratitude, or excitement as if your intention has already come true. Books for deeper insight. If you're eager to explore this topic further, here are some excellent resources. Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza, a guide to using neuroscience to reprogram your reality. The Intention Experiment by Lynn McTaggart explores scientific studies on the power of intention. The Self-Aware Universe by Dr. Amit Goswami delves into quantum physics and consciousness. Ask and It Is Given by Esther. And Jerry Hicks, a classic in manifestation and the law of attraction. Collective intentions for the world. When setting intentions, don't limit yourself to personal desires. Collective intentions can elevate humanity. A powerful example is, may all beings be on the most optimal timeline. This simple yet profound statement aligns with the highest good for all, acknowledging that the universe knows what optimal truly means. The power of awareness. Intentions are most effective when paired with awareness. Being present and attuned to your surroundings amplifies your vibrational frequency, making you a clearer channel for manifestation. Studies in mindfulness, such as those conducted by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn, have shown that present moment awareness reduces stress and enhances focus, which are essential for effective intention setting. Final thoughts. Intentions are your roadmap to the future you wish to create. They are the bridge between your present self and your highest potential. Remember, the power is already within you. Setting intentions is simply about tuning into that power, aligning with your inner wisdom, and allowing the universe to guide you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more higher dimensional guidance. Together, let's co-create a reality filled with abundance, love, and joy. And as always, may all beings be on the most optimal timeline